Hello, dear students. So, today our topic is political parties in India. Already, I have given you many notes. So, I hope you have written. So, today I want to explain this lesson. The lesson mostly mainly what related, it's related about political parties, concept of political party and its necessity. So you can see here the paragraph about its importance and also its concept definition. So I hope you all know about political parties. So political parties, we have seen have seen means we watch in TV every day, we watch in Facebook, social media. So about political party, so they are ruling. So I hope you know about political party, who the party some what rule the that country, like ruling party, opposition party, like ruling party BJP in our country and in our as well as in Assam. So they are ruling party Congress, other parties they are opposition party, then Trinamool Congress have, then our AJP actually coalition with this party, but other like against party have like many party, regional party also have. So these are the what political parties. Political parties mostly in India, it's very important. Political parties actually in a democratic country, political party is very important. Like I know you I like Aam Aadmi Party also. So these are the some names you have heard: BJP, Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Trinamool Congress. So then also Communist Party of India. So some common name which we heard which we hear day by day in news. So very important democratic country. So I hope you know what is democracy. Okay, here is I have given democracy. Already I have given you a system in which the government of country is elected by the people. That is democracy. India is the largest democracy in the world. So in India, what? In our India, what? By the people, for the people, of the people. So our people, common people, select our select representative, and they formed what? That representative, they are responsible, and they to make what? Government. So their representative. So that is democracy. But second portion you can see here, monarchy. So this monarchy, what? Monarchy system in which country ruled by king. So their king make laws. In our democracy, who make laws? Our representative, they make laws according the constitution, and in monarch system, king make laws. So obviously we are not monarch under monarchy. We are democratic country. So that is important. Democratic country, there is important of political parties also. Yes, in monarchy system you cannot see political party because their king make laws, king rule the country. Like you can you know also Saudi Arabia, like king rule. So that is not a democratic country. But India is a democratic country where all political parties what has importance. So here is another important thing. I have taken out some points also from our lesson. So 3 number you can see here, one party system. In the world there are different type of party system. Here is first is I have written single party system. Yes, single party system, that type of country where only one party make laws, rule, and other party have no power and cannot exist, like China. China has only communist party, single party, other party not have. In India, like you can here you can see BJP, Congress, AJP, then DMK, these are Akali Dal, these are. But in China you cannot hear any other party, only one single party, they make their political group, other party no power. Number 4, two-party system. That is also USA and England. There are two-party system in where political system is which major two-party dominance. Understood? Two-party only. Two-party have one party rule, another party is opposition. Two-party dominance. This is USA and England. And number 5, what multi-party system in India. Like we have multi-party system. If you count national party, you can count also, but if you see regional party, state party, each and every state there are lots of parties that you cannot by heart the name also. So many parties in state have. So this is called multi-party system. Why India have multi-party system? Because yeah, also you can see one note, democracy and the political party are complementary each other. Because of this we have multi-party system. Our democracy is the largest true democracy. For that what we have multi-party system, each and every, because first thing, the India is very diverse country. Each state have their own religion, own trading, tradition, tribe, language. For that reason each and every state feels that they should take part in the government system to make what, to fulfill their own state own state different type of problems, to solve the different type of problems, to fulfill their different type of hope and aspiration to that one. So that's why India is the largest democracy. We have multi-party system. Constitution did not say anything that only one party or two party can rule. Our constitution given multi-party system. That's why we in India we have multi-party system. Multi-party means many party system. So already I have explained about this, why political party is important, because we have diverse language, diverse culture in India, and that's why we have multi-party system. And political party is a what, democracy and political party is a complementary each other. दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ है, एक दूसरे को छोड़ के डेमोक्रेसी में अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं होगा तो क्या, राजा का तो शासन नहीं होगा. तो इसलिए डेमोक्रेसी एंड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बोथ कम्प्लीमेंट्री ईच अदर, रिमेंबर. और किंग रूल जहाँ होता है वहाँ पे तुम्हें पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं मिलेगा. सो दैट्स वाई डेमोक्रेसी एंड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जहाँ डेमोक्रेसी है वहाँ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी होगा ही, जहाँ डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है वहाँ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भी तुम्हें मिलेगा नहीं, या तो वीक होगा या तो कुछ काम का नहीं होगा, जस्ट नाम का होगा. So I hope you have understood about this. So after that we will learn about their function and characteristics. Okay, I have given this one also. About what? Question comes, write characteristics of political party in India or democratic country. So here is characteristics, that is features. Features you have to write. When comes 4 marks comes, sometimes 3 marks comes. So you have to write about this. So here is first what? First is organization. Political party's first characteristic, it should be organized. Okay, it should be organized. Otherwise one people cannot make political party. It should be organized, group of people, and properly organized. Then second one is principle and ideals and planning. Yes, one political party, they must have some ideals, principles that they can show to the people that we want this party for making our country this, for making our state this, that, for developing our state this, that. Okay, so principle, ideals, नीति रहना ही है. नीति के बिना कोई political party नहीं होगा. Remember. See, एस्पिरेशन फॉर कैप्चरिंग पावर. येस, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का एक ही होता है कि पावर चाहिए. सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का ये होना ही चाहिए कि हाँ हमें पावर चाहिए. सो जब पावर मिलेगा तभी तुम क्या कर सकते हो, रूल कर सकते हो. डैट इज़ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एस्पिरेशन. पावर के लिए थोड़ा सा वो होना ही है, मोटिवेशन होना ही है. दैट्स वाई सब लोग आते हैं, वोट दीजिए हमें, वोट दीजिए हमें, क्योंकि पावर चाहिए. ओब्वियसली पावर मिलेगा तभी देश के लिए काम कर पाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि पावर मिलेगा तो हम देश के लिए उल्टा काम करेंगे और गंदा काम करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. पावर मिलेगा तो देश के लिए अच्छा काम करेंगे. पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वाई ऑर्गेनाइज? टू मेक कंट्री डेवलप, नॉट अंडर डेवलप. नेक्स्ट वन, फोर्थ नंबर, रिगार्ड फॉर नेशनल इंटरेस्ट. सेम थिंग मैंने बोला ना, पावर मिलेगा तो हम देश के लिए काम करेंगे. सो इंटरेस्ट क्या है? अपने लिए नहीं. पावर मिलेगा तो अपने लिए नहीं काम करेंगे, देश के लिए काम करेंगे. सो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का मेन उद्देश्य ही है देश के लिए काम करना, अपने लिए नहीं. राज्य हो या कंट्री हो, देश के लिए काम करना, ये मेन इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. देश के अलावा वो लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, ये अलग है कि प्रैक्टिकली तो वो लोग देश का ज़्यादा नहीं सोचते, बट फिर भी बहुत से गुड मिनिस्टर्स भी हैं जो देश के बारे में सोचते हैं. सो दैट इज़ दिस 4 पॉइंट प्लीज़ बाय हार्ट फॉर एग्ज़ाम. नेक्स्ट कम्स टू फंक्शन. फंक्शन मीन्स काम. उन लोग का काम क्या होता है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ का, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. फीचर्स हो गया, क्यों पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बनता है, ये उनका फीचर्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कैसे क्या है. देन काम, फंक्शन मीन्स काम. सो फंक्शन मेन काम क्या है, टू डेवलप पॉलिटिकल अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल. पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का और एक काम है कि लोगों को अवेयर करना, व्हाट इज़ पॉलिटिकल वर्क, मतलब राजनीति क्या है. देश, राजनीति मीन्स ओनली झगड़ा नहीं, राजनीति मीन्स देश के लिए काम करना. हम लोग तो आज झगड़ा करते देखते हैं आजकल, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू राजनीति. राजनीति मीन्स क्या है, देश के लिए काम करना, देश के साथ होना, दैट इज़ पॉलिटिकल अवेयरनेस फैलाना. नंबर बी, एडुकेट मास पीपल बाय गिविंग पॉलिटिकल इंस्ट्रक्शन. यस, फर्स्ट तो लोगों को एक साथ पॉलिटिकल क्या है, पॉलिटिक्स क्या है, ये सब सिखाना. देन उन लोग को फिर क्या सिखाना, उन लोग को सिखाना पीपल बाय गिविंग पॉलिटिकल इंस्ट्रक्शन. पॉलिटिकल के बारे में क्या है, जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन देना, जगह जगह जाके इंस्ट्रक्शन देना कि पॉलिटिक्स क्या है, ऐसे हम लोग पॉलिटिक्स में आके क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने गांव के लिए, अपने देश के लिए काम कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ इंस्ट्रक्ट करना. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है टू मोल्ड पब्लिक ओपिनियन. और उनका और एक काम क्या है, पब्लिक का जो ओपिनियन है वो उसको फुलफ़िल करना. ओके, मोल्ड मीन्स फुलफ़िल करना, उसको गठन देना. जैसे डेमोक्रेसी में क्या है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पब्लिक के अगेंस्ट नहीं जा सकता है, तो पब्लिक को मोस्टली जो पब्लिक के लिए अच्छा है और पब्लिक जो चाहते हैं उसको काम करना है, दैट इज़ मेनली वर्क. तो पब्लिक के अगेंस्ट इस वोट नहीं दिया है, पब्लिक के अगेंस्ट जाने के लिए तो पब्लिक वोट नहीं देते हैं. पब्लिक के लिए काम करने के लिए, पब्लिक के लिए जब काम करेंगे वो देश के लिए काम होगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ टू ट्रांसफर द पब्लिक ओपिनियन इनटू रियलिटी. यस, पब्लिक का जो ओपिनियन है उसको गठन कर, उसको शेप देना, देन उसके उस पब्लिक ओपिनियन को क्या करना, रियलिटी में ट्रांसफ़र करना कि हाँ हमने आप लोग के लिए ये करके दिखाया है. जैसे स्विच बैंक का पैसा आएगा, ब्लैक मनी आएगा, आज तक आया नहीं है, तो करप्शन जाएगा. मोस्टली तो करप्शन बहुत से जगह में अभी भी है. सो ऐसे टाइप का नहीं है, जो बोला जाता है पब्लिक जो चाहती है वो सब करना चाहिए. सो देश के लिए करना चाहिए. सो यही है, दीज आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ आवर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. ओके, सो प्लीज़ डू दिस वन. So here also one point I have given, Indian National Congress is the first political party in India. This is one of the important question, GK question also. Which is the first political party? Indian National Congress, INC. Okay, INC is the what? C is the 1885 it was established. So remember this thing, Indian National Congress. I hope you have understood characteristics and function. There are two types of question comes, फंक्शन एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ओके, यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो आई हैव टेकन आउट सम पॉइंट्स. आई विल शो यू, आई हैव गिवन ऑलरेडी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू नाउ. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इन इंडिया, ऑलरेडी वी गॉट दैट इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन इंडिया. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कम, आई विल शो यू दैट व्हाट आई हैव गिवन ऑल्सो. ओके, हियर you will see political parties in India. Already I have given first political party, Indian National Congress, established under the Indian civil servant ex-officer, means that is retired civil servant Allen Octavian Hume. Okay, Allen Octavian Hume, under his leadership Indian National Congress established first political party in 1885. Then second one, another important point, what? Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of Indian National Congress. Okay, first president of Indian National Congress. Remember, question comes, who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Third point, Indian National Congress. After Indian National Congress, what political party come into existence? Muslim League, 1906. Remember, Muslim League. But Muslim League, after few years, Muslim League declined. Okay, Muslim League declined. Okay, then after that it not existence, but it given lots of important in the partition of Bengal time also, and after that in the partition of that one India Pakistan also created lots of some existence. And after that Muslim League second, then third political party, India's third political party is Hindu Mahasabha, established in 1916. Remember, third political party Hindu Mahasabha in 1916. Then fourth political party was Swaraj Party, established 1922 under what? Under the leadership of Chittaranjan Das. Under the leadership of Chittaranjan Das. Okay, and Motilal Nehru. Motilal Nehru, I hope you know that father of Jawaharlal Nehru. So Chittaranjan Das. Fourth political party is what? Swaraj Party. Then fifth number what? Here another important point, fifth, I am not telling fifth party, I am telling sixth point. sorry, my mistake, 6th point, what? First left party was established. Okay, after this fourth party, first left party means what? Here is in India, right wing, left wing. So left party established, that is mostly related with socialist party, that is CPI. Okay, CPI, Communist Party of India. CPI is a Communist Party of India in 1925, that is left party. Left party, their ideology is little different than right wing's right party. Okay, so there is two type, later you will know, but left party ideology is not same with the right party's ideology. Left party always want government position more. Okay, government position more they want. Socialist ideals, ideals type left party. So this is we'll discuss later. So till now your important thing is this, you have to remember this. Okay, so from this paragraph I have taken out already important points and explain also. This one you can see Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Okay, and this one photo of All Indian Muslim League, which declined after few years. Okay, after this we will come another important topic, this one, relevance of regional political parties. What are the importance? Okay, what are the importance? Okay, before regional political parties, that means state parties, I want to show you one thing, that here 1955 you can see, and here is important date. What important date? That after independence our first general election held. General election means choosing PM. Okay, so election of PM election held in 1952. Remember this important date. So after that we can see lots of lots of regional political parties and national political parties. So now we will discuss about mostly relevance of regional political party. What is regional political party? It's your state party. Okay, state party which ruled in the state. Not maybe after that state party maybe can be a national party if it rule in the 2-3 state, but first regional political party, the very common regional political party you can see AUDF, AJP, these are in Assam regional political party. Okay, so we will discuss. Here I have written for this point also, I already told you, general election first, that election 1992, it called Lok Sabha election, called general election, PM election also, choosing PM also, understood, Lok Sabha election. After that regional political parties come into existence. See, first regional political party Dravida Munitra Kazhagam, DMK, was established in 1949. Okay, 1949 it established regional party, that means state party. Remember, national party all India level, regional party state level, understood. First party DMK. Then after that I have taken out points, please, I know I hope you have written also already, I had given you. So these are the some important factors why regional political party started. क्यों regional political party start हुआ इंडिया में, that is some not of factors. नेशनल पार्टी ऑलरेडी था, तो रीजनल पार्टी का ज़रूरत क्या था? एज वी नो इंडिया इज़ ए मल्टी लैंग्वेज, व्हाट, मल्टी लिंगुअल, मल्टी रिलीजियस कंट्री, डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया. सो ऐसा नेशनल पार्टी मतलब हर किसी स्टेट का फीलिंग्स को समझ नहीं सकता है. नेशनल पार्टी एवरी स्टेट क्या है, डिफरेंट है. असमीज लैंग्वेज कहीं पे है, कहीं पे गुजराती, कहीं पे मराठी. सो एवरी स्टेट इज़ डिफरेंट. सो हर स्टेट किसी को समझ नहीं, हर स्टेट अलग अलग है. तो नेशनल लेवल के पार्टी को इतना भी मतलब वो नहीं था कि मतलब आइडियाज़ कम भी थे और कभी इंटरेस्ट भी कम था, तो इसीलिए हुआ. लेट्स सी, विल डिस्कस पॉइंट्स. नंबर ए, द डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी व्यू एटीट्यूड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑल इंडिया लेवल. यस, तभी स्टेट को फील हुआ कि नेशनल लेवल के पार्टीज तो हमें अच्छे से देख नहीं रहे हैं. हम कुछ स्टेट को, मोस्टली तो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट विच आर ऑलरेडी बैकवर्ड, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो एज नाउ ऑल्सो बैकवर्ड. सो ऐसा लग रहा था कि देख नहीं रहे हैं. तो क्या हो रहा है कि फील हुआ कि नहीं, हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तो नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तो हमें अच्छे से देख नहीं रहे हैं, तो हमें इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. हमारे बहुत सारे इतने छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम है. ऑब्वियसली इंडिया आज़ाद हुआ, आज़ाद होने के बाद कितना प्रॉब्लम होता है. ऑलरेडी ब्रिटिशर्स ने 200 साल ब्रिटिशर्स ने पूरा क्या किया,